Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if getting an error with Google Chrome that says that the network administrator has applied a group policy that prevents the Google Chrome installation or perhaps update. So I'm going to show you guys a pretty quick and easy way how to resolve that, and we're going to go ahead and jump into it and start by opening up the Start menu. Just go ahead and left click on the Start button one time. Type in regedit, so R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match to go back to Registry Editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select Run as Administrator from the drop down menu. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select Yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it, so if anything went wrong you just import in the backup, and it's going to be quite simple to do that. Just select the File tab up the top left, select Export. You want to make sure export range is selected to all and then save it to a convenient location on your computer. File name, I'd usually suggest naming it the date in which you are making the backup, and then save as type, make sure it's just a .reg file. Once you're done with that, go ahead and just left click on save, and if you ever need to import it back in, you just would do File, Import, and you just navigate over the file, so pretty straightforward. And once you made your backup, now you want to go ahead and expand the HKey local machine folder. To either double click on it or left one little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Now you want to do the same thing for policy, so you want to expand that. Now there should be a folder in here that says Google. Please note we're going to be deleting the Google folder here, so we will have to go ahead and reinstall Google Chrome once you're done. But I just want to put that out there, so make sure you've synced up any of your files or settings. Most people, it's not that big of a deal. You might have one or two extensions on there, so just reinstall them once you're done. Hopefully you'll be able to just write them down before we go ahead and delete this folder here. So again, now that we have the Google folder, you want to right click on it and then left click on delete. Or you should want to permanently delete this key and all of its subkeys. Select yes. Now close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that should be about it. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.